Yep.
Get around for bed. I'm just frustrated the string TV's acting up.
Oh, that's some good popcorn.
Top secret it says.
Nice.
I'll set it closer and hold it for you.
Thank you.
You finish your drink?
Mm-hmm.
You want to finish my plate?
Sure.
Can I get my water?
Yep.
Thank you. What's that?
Your mama around the corner? I don't know what she...
It's really loud. Oh, cooler.
Oh.
It's
Okay.
really loud, though.
Well, she's shutting it, I guess.
Now it's when she opened it.
Oh, okay. What do I know?
Thank you.
You done with it?
Oh, yes.
I need to go get my pajamas on and switch my other out.
Okay, honey.
Here's his water.
Oh. Okay.
No, like I said, I'm just frustrated on that. No, I don't know if it did all the string TVs because we got 3 string TVs
Oh,
on there.
yeah.
Like I said, hopefully I won't have too much.
So nice randomly displaying
popcorn.
popcorn.
Mm-hmm.
Because the Verizon thing itself is only if you're gonna like rent movies and stuff,
Right.
Mm,
or